What is a monomial? A polynomial with one non-zero term is called a monomial. What do we understand by the phrase non-zero term? The term should not be a zero. Non-zero meaning the term should not be a zero. See some examples of monomials here. X is a monomial because it's a polynomial with only one term. See here, x is a polynomial. Why is x a polynomial? The power of x is 1. X is the variable and the power of x is 1, which is a whole number. Hence, x is a polynomial. So this is a polynomial with only one term, with only one non-zero term. Hence, x is a monomial. ABCD is also a monomial. You can see only one term. A square B cube is a monomial because there is only one term. What is a binomial? A polynomial with two non-zero terms is called a binomial. See some examples of binomials here. AB plus CD. Now the plus sign separates these two. Hence AB and CD are two terms in this expression. AB plus CD is an algebraic expression. AB plus CD is also a polynomial. The variables A, B, C and D have whole numbers as their powers. Hence AB plus CD is a polynomial. And this polynomial has two terms. The separator is the plus sign. These are the two terms. Hence, this polynomial is a binomial because it has two terms. Here again, this expression is an algebraic expression. It is a polynomial because the variables are raised to whole numbers. The powers of the variables are whole numbers. Hence, this algebraic expression is a polynomial. And this polynomial has two terms. See the separator, the minus sign. So, this polynomial has two terms, two terms. And hence it's a binomial. Here, this expression is an algebraic expression. It is a polynomial. You can see that the variables x, y and z are raised to whole numbers. The powers of the variables are 1 and 1 is a whole number. Hence this algebraic expression is a polynomial. And this polynomial has only two terms, two terms. The terms are separated by the minus sign. Hence, this expression, which is a polynomial, is a binomial. What is a trinomial? A polynomial with three non-zero terms is called a trinomial. Non-zero again means no term must be a zero. No term must be a zero. See some examples of trinomials here. A plus B plus C. This is an algebraic expression. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial having three terms and hence it's a trinomial. Here, this is an algebraic expression. It is also a polynomial. You can check the powers of the variables. They are all whole numbers. So this expression is a polynomial consisting of three terms, 1, 2 and 3 terms. The separators are the plus and the minus sign. 1, 2, 3 terms. These two terms are separated by the plus sign. These two terms are separated by the minus sign. Remember, ABC is one term. Terms are separated by a plus or a minus sign. ABC is not separated by a plus or a minus sign. So, ABC is one term. CD is also one term. EF is one term. The separators are the plus or the minus sign. So, this polynomial has three terms and hence it's a trinomial. Again, these expressions are algebraic expressions. They are polynomials because the powers of the variables involved are whole numbers. And each of these polynomials have three terms, 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. And hence, these are trinomials. What is a zero polynomial? Zero, the number 0 is called the zero polynomial. So there are no examples of a zero polynomial. 0 is the only number which is called the zero polynomial. constant polynomial. Every constant is called a constant polynomial. That is, every number other than 0. Every number other than 0, because 0 is a zero polynomial. So every number other than 0 is a constant polynomial. Every constant is a constant polynomial other than 0. Because 0 has a special term. 0 is a zero polynomial. So numbers other than 0 are constant polynomials. So see the examples here. 100, minus 8. So these are constants and they are called constant polynomials. Pi is also a constant polynomial because pi takes the value 22/7. Hence pi is a constant polynomial.